but we in Madrid right now. We just landed an hour ago. We're still waiting for our room to be ready. It's not ready yet, so we didn't check in. And we decided to come get some coffee, American cappuccino. And it has some chocolate. Every time I drink it, like all my lips covered with chocolate. So our flight was 7 hours from New York to Madrid. It was a night flight, overnight. We kind of got delayed, unfortunately, so we left around 10 and we landed around 11 a.m. here in Madrid because the time difference. So basically we just flew overnight. Jacob slept a little bit. I didn't really sleep, maybe like an hour or two, but it still wasn't enough. It was more like a nap and it was really uncomfortable. So I feel really tired. It's okay because it's the first day. So we have 2 days in Madrid, today and tomorrow night we're going to Malaga. We're taking a train to Malaga where my friend lives.
I'm gonna eat the gazpacho. It's got watermelon in it.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's okay.
It's okay?
It's normal.
Normal? If you're in Madrid, this is the popular spot, apparently. We're gonna get a SIM card, local SIM card from Vodafone. Trying everything I could possibly try in Miu Miu because that's the only store in the whole country here in Madrid. Can you imagine? I'm kind of shocked. I didn't expect that. I thought maybe they have in Barcelona one too. I'm trying different jackets. I really like it. It's 38 size. It's a little bigger than mine. I'm usually 36, but it looks so small. Trying winter jacket. I'm not sure if I like the shape though, but I want to try it in a different color. They have in gray, different fabric. I like the pocket, I like the waist, but I feel like the length is a little bit off. This is gray. I don't know if you can tell. Kind of like it. The leather belt also looks really cute. The silhouette looks better. Yeah. We decided to leave our backpack in this thing. It looks actually pretty secure. First, you need to open the door with a code, which is not for everybody. When you already paid, you get a code. And then you choose the locker and you leave. They choose the locker for you, and then you enter another code. Seems secure. We left our luggage at the hotel, but we didn't leave the backpack because we have laptops and they very expensive, so we decided to take them with us. But since it's really heavy, like last minute we changed our mind and we decided to leave them here in the locker. Because in the hotel they have just like a back room which is open for everybody. I don't know, didn't seem very safe. So this place seemed to be much better. Quick stop before the train. Apartment, new place. We rented Airbnb in Malaga. This is our entryway. I mean, that's the building right there. And there's a cute mural. And I like the tiles. It looks very Spanish. This is, if you're wondering what it is, it's El Hope. There's so many different things you can buy here. All the diaries, pens, and more. That would be my favorite. Some clothes, some shoes, slippers. Hello, it's me. Your favorite travel influencer. Just joking. Scallops.
se ve que está.
Say hello. Look at the view, guys. We made it to the rooftop bar. It's a sunset time, which is perfect timing to watch the city falling asleep from the nice roof. This is our personal life hack. If we don't know where to go, we just Google any local hotels, and usually they do have a rooftop bar, which is accessible for everybody. If it's like probably 4 stars hotel and up. I'm drinking maracuya beverage, which is virgin cocktail drink. And I've been drinking maracuya this whole trip because I like it. It's passion fruit. And we also got passion fruit to go from the grocery store. I got 3 big maracuyas, passion fruit, and it's $3.